When working with drills and other power tools, managing dust and debris is crucial for both safety and efficiency. A high-quality drill dust collector helps keep your workspace clean and reduces the risk of respiratory issues and damage to your equipment. Here's a look at the top 5 drill dust collectors on the market, each designed to effectively capture and contain dust, making your projects cleaner and more manageable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Walfront Drill Dust Collector. Now, let's dive right into what makes this tool so extraordinary. First off, this isn't just any dust collector. The Walfront Drill Dust Collector is a dual-purpose device, combining the power of a dust collector with the functionality of a laser machine. Drilling can be messy, and dust flying everywhere is a common issue. But with the Walfront Drill Dust Collector, those days are over. Simply attach the dust collector to your surface, whether it's a powder wall, wood-grained surface, or any other material. Once it's in place, it stays securely attached, even when the switch is turned off. And speaking of attachment, it's incredibly easy. Just turn on the switch, and the dust collector grips the surface firmly. When you're done, it's just as simple to remove. Plus, cleaning it is a breeze. Disassemble it with minimal effort and get rid of any dust buildup. But that's not all. The Walfront Drill Dust Collector is designed to enhance your working experience. With it, drilling becomes smoother and cleaner. No more inhaling dust or dealing with a mess, just a straightforward, efficient job. Let's talk power. The dust collector is powered by a reliable lithium battery with a 500 mAh capacity. This ensures you have enough juice to get through those lengthy projects without interruption. And durability? You bet. The Walfront Drill Dust Collector is made from top-quality ABS material. This means it's impact-resistant, scratch-resistant, and built to last for years of dependable use. So, whether you're a weekend warrior tackling a home improvement project or a professional contractor needing a reliable tool on site, the Walfront Drill Dust Collector is your go-to solution for a cleaner, more efficient drilling experience. Pros: dual functionality, effective dust collection, durable construction, easy to use. Cons: limited battery life, laser machine functionality. Number 4. Herzo HRS70E Drill Dust Collector. The Herzo isn't just any dust collector. This powerhouse is designed to handle drilling diameters up to a whopping 70 mm, making it versatile enough for a range of projects. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. First up, let's talk about compatibility. The Herzo is built to work seamlessly with standard hose sizes ranging from 26 mm to 35 mm. That means it'll fit with most of your existing vacuum setups. And here's a cool feature: the hose receiver can rotate 360 degrees. This flexibility ensures you can position the hose exactly where you need it, no matter the angle. One of the standout features is the dual air chambers. These chambers do two crucial things: they collect dust efficiently while you drill, and they create a strong suction to the wall. This means less dust in the air and more suction power where it counts. The Herzo also features a solid rubber seal that keeps the attachment upright on the wall and ensures optimal dust containment. No more mess or dust escaping into your workspace. But wait, there's more. This dust collector comes with a solid rubber adapter, making it compatible with most vacuum models. Whether you're using a high-powered industrial vacuum or a standard home vacuum, the HRS70E has you covered. Another handy feature is the swivel hose holder. This allows you to reposition the hose as needed, giving you even more control over your dust collection setup. Another handy feature is the swivel hose holder. This allows you to reposition the hose as needed, giving you even more control over your dust collection setup. With the Herzo, you get a universal system that connects to any vacuum, making it suitable for all hammer sizes and drill bit diameters. It's a versatile, easy-to-use tool that simplifies your drilling tasks and keeps your workspace clean. Pros: effective dust collection, universal compatibility, durability, flexibility. Cons: potential for suction loss. Number 3. Worx WA1602 Drill Dust Collector. With its powerful vacuum function, the WA1602 ensures that drilling is light, traceless, and mess-free. Thanks to the independent vacuum motor, debris and dust are quickly sucked away, leaving only pristine drilling holes behind. Equipped with a 35 ml visual dust collection box, you can easily monitor dust levels without frequently opening the cover. The large capacity ensures you don't need constant emptying. Experience one-click convenience. Simply activate the vacuum adsorption with a single button press. The powerful suction holds the dust collector firmly in place, equivalent to pushing 26 pounds against the wall. Whether you're using a standard electric hammer, drill, or impact drill, the Worx is designed for versatility and compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for your tools. And with convenient USB Type-C charging, powering up is quick and easy, so you're always ready to go. Keep track of power effortlessly with the electric indicator light that reflects directly on the wall. No need to probe, the power level is clearly visible. Plus, the extended reach of the 4V Li-ion cordless screwdriver gives you the cordless convenience you need for those hard-to-reach spots. The Worx XTD technology ensures that every screw driving task is handled with precision and ease. Pros: convenience, strong suction, efficiency, portability. Cons: limited dust capacity, noise, dependency on screwdriver. Number 2. Deli DL603010 Drill Dust Collector. This compact marvel isn't just about keeping your workspace tidy. It's designed to enhance your drilling experience. Let's explore what makes the Deli DL603010 stand out from the crowd. First up, durability and convenience. The Deli features a durable dust-proof switch that extends the life of the machine. No more worrying about wear and tear. This collector is built to last and ensure reliable performance every time. One of the standout features of the Deli is its automatic dust collection system. When you start drilling, this smart collector effortlessly captures dust, preventing it from spreading and creating a mess. It's perfect for maintaining a clean and comfortable workspace. And it gets better. The installation process couldn't be simpler. No tools required. Just mount the dust collector on your wall, and you're ready to go. This means you can focus on your project without the hassle of complex setup. Portability is key, and the Deli doesn't disappoint. Weighing in at just 300 grams and measuring 155 by 80 by 50 millimeters, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're working on site or moving between projects, this dust collector is up for the task. Versatility is another strong suit of the DL603010. It's designed to work with drills that have a diameter of less than 10 millimeters, making it a universal fit for a range of drilling tasks. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, this collector is ready to handle it. The small and exquisite design of this dust collector ensures it doesn't take up much space, while still providing powerful performance. The vacuum adsorption feature means no installation hassle, just a one-key start, making it ideal for vertical and ceiling drilling as well. Pros: compact and portable, effective dust collection, durable, easy to use. Cons: limited compatibility, potential suction power, noisy operation. Number 1. Mayilon M9912 Drill Dust Collector. Let's start with its standout feature, the 2-in-1 functionality. The Mayilon combines a powerful dust collector with a precise laser level. Whether you're working on a major renovation or a small home project, this tool is designed to make your life easier. First up, the dust collector. This is more than just a standard vacuum. It's equipped with an advanced air suction system that ensures your work area stays clean. No more clouds of dust flying around, and you won't be inhaling any of it. Plus, the 13 mm large hole design ensures that dust is efficiently captured with minimal leakage. Perfect for all kinds of drilling tasks. And check this out, the air suction wall bracket can handle up to 5 kilograms. That means you can securely place your laser level or other equipment without worrying about stability. The bracket's load-bearing capacity is a real game changer for both professional and DIY projects. Now let's talk about the laser level. The Mayilon is equipped with a built-in laser and 2 horizontal bubbles. This feature is crucial for precision in advertising installations, furniture setup, or any decorative construction. The laser provides a clear, level line that ensures your projects are perfectly aligned. And here's where it gets even better: the detachable design. You can easily switch between using the dust collector and the bracket functions. Simply push the button to remove or install the components as needed. It's super versatile and makes it simple to adapt to different tasks. Powering the M9912 is a high-capacity lithium battery. This means you can recharge it easily when needed and keep working without interruption. Plus, the tool has built-in power and adsorption monitoring with 2 columns of green lights. If the power or air pressure is low, these lights will alert you so you can address any issues promptly. Pros: 2-in-1 functionality, convenient design, user-friendly, additional storage, improved work environment. Cons: battery life, laser level accuracy, noise level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.